This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by using an administrator account because many logs require elevated access. Once signed in, press Windows plus S and type Event Viewer. Open it immediately. In the left pane, expand Windows Logs to reveal application, security, setup, and system categories. This matters because each category collects different events. For example, system records driver and OS errors, while application stores program-level notices. Make sure to keep the Event Viewer window available for the next retrieval steps. Now you refine what you need. Select the log type such as system or application, then click Filter Current Log to reduce noise. Choose a time range and pick levels like error or warning. If you know specific event ID, include them to speed up diagnosis. Once the filter shows the events you want, right-click the log or filtered results and choose Save All Events as to export an evtex or XML file. This export preserves details for sharing or offline analysis. Finish by collecting and reviewing the exported file. You can open a saved evtex in Event Viewer on another machine or parse it with PowerShells, get WinEvent for automated analysis. Compress the file and include a brief note of what you did and the exact timestamps to help others replicate the problem. If you don't see expected entries, make sure auditing is enabled or increase the log size in the log's properties. Then reproduce the issue so new events are captured. This single tweak off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.